Da-da-da-dum, da-dum, da-dum, da-da-da-da-dum. That's supposed to be back to the bone.
Up in the air. Now let's see, where are we going to put these jack stands? Okay. That's wild. Look at all this bondo. Okay, we got both jack stands on the actual frame, and I'm going to lower it gently. 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 Whoa. Holy crap, that scared the shit out of me. Okay. Keep your eye on the rear wheel, or just the rear of the car. Holy moly, I hope it doesn't tip over. But now I got room underneath here. Look at these holes. So the old floorboards are still in place. That's the kind of job the previous owner did. In other words, garbage. I really don't understand why you would go through this trouble of welding and not just cutting this out. The cutting is the easy part. Now I don't have anything to weld with. Yeah. Look at that nasty rust. And this amount of bondo on here is insane. Okay, so we got our Little angle grinder. Get that trash out of here. Hey! All this crappy paint that's coming off. And random bits and pieces. Alright, you get the idea of what I'm doing. Make sure you wear something to not get it in your eyes. Okay, so what have I done so far? Just removing paint. Okay? Obviously, they replaced this with the same shitty method. This under here, again, was replaced, and under there. Now, I noticed some things. Now, obviously, you can see the right side is a little better with only a small patchwork and mostly original floor pans. But this, maybe you wonder, like, why would you replace this? Man, with the hole here, and then I realized where the water's coming from, right underneath there. So, get an idea. Okay, this part is under the cabin, and there's holes, massive holes, like that. That there goes inside the truck, right here. Right there, if you can see that, yeah. And it was hidden by this. There's still one over there. Because, you know, I mean, holy crap. I've seen country, you know, what they call redneck fixes.
Country boy.
And that stuff, I mean, damn, when they do some work, they do it right. Even if it's, you know, this was... Alright, now we have this massive hole here. There's one here, here, and also here. So what I'm going to try to do, because I don't have the bedpan, I said bedpan. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to cover this up as best as I can. Let's see if this works.
Nope.
You can tell I am not like a carpenter or whatever you want to call this kind of work. A mason, that's what I'm looking for. Mason, I'm not a mason. Let's do it this way. That's probably better. Alright, now let's see if I can do that maybe. Cover up, use this like basically like what do you call it, bondo, but with caulk. Let's smooth it as much as we can. Now what I'm going to do tomorrow after I let this dry is I'm going to sand it down, probably by hand. I'm going to stop here. But, as always, you gotta remember, get your tools, clean them, put them away, make sure everything's, you haven't lost something. And the same applies to this. I got 2 kick panels and one of these things that was here. But I only have one. So I'm gonna keep them. Make sure I don't lose the hardware. We're done for the day. Put all our tools away. And because I'm leaving it on the jack, you know, it's protected under the car. It ain't gonna rain there. But I've hit that the bar a couple of times, so I'm leaving this cone here. So a little teaser of what I plan. All aboard. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're going that direction. So, this is Al Dackman Barry, and I hope you have a great ride. Almost forgot to frickin' roll up a window. Ooh, He-Man.